Let's go!
You started recording, wanna put microphone.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa MOA kasama ang lolo at lola ni Bella. Gustong-gusto ni Bella maglakad. Ayaw magpabuhat. Danya is there. Nakabili na din siya ng gamepad kasi nasira yung gamepad niya. What are you checking, my love?
Dell monitor.
Ah,
32, I think. We can order it, right?
yes, sir.
Can I take a photo of models comparison?
Nag-enjoy na ang baby ko. Pag may nakikita siyang mga bata, sumisigaw siya. Gusto makipag-friends din bila. Oh my gosh, nahabol niya yung babae. Bella, come back to mama. Tinuturo-turo niya. Oy. Ay, friendly ang baby ko. Bell, flying kiss. Yeah. That girl is 2 years old, my love. And you're still 14 months.
Unbelievable.
Lola is at the back. Belle, go to Lolo. Lolo wants to carry you, my love. Later. Ayaw niyang magpa-karga. Gusto niyang maglakad. Nagpipicture din yung dalawa, oh. So, si Jenya may pa-advance birthday gift sa akin. Binilhan niya ako ng microphone. Sabi niya, magsalita daw ako ng magsalita sa vlog ko.
Microphone.
Yeah, I checked it and it's good. Let's see when I edit this video. Let's buy shoes for Bella, babe, because this is a big size for her.
Yeah, where?
Let's go. H&M. Ang ganda na dito. Christmas is coming. Marami nang pa Christmas lights. Hi, Belle! We're here! Nagbi-video ang nanay mo. Hi! Sabi ni Bella, wow! Wow daw, oh, may malaking stars. Belle, can you say wow? Wow! Wow! Lechon!
We have a new nickname for Bella. Lechon.
Why are you calling her lechon? Since I started asking for lechon,
I don't know. I just like how it sounds.
lechon. Sobrang daming tao kasi Sunday, babe. Ang hirap ng parking kanina. Mga 30 minutes kaya kaming naggantay para makapark lang. Bella! They have a nice decoration here, Belle. Ma, nice. Oh, ang nice mo, oh. So, ito po yung decoration nila dito sa Mall of Asia. May nakita na naman si Bella, yung aso.
Too big for her.
We're planning to buy shoes for Bella. This one, oh, it's so cute, babe. Moccasins. Yeah, that one.
Small.
Size 13.
Not your size.
13, babe.
No, babe, help me.
Magiging Santa Claus na ka naman, Belle. Santa Bella. Oh, here, oh, size 18. Huh? Boots. Ay, boots. Yan, nakabili na kami ng gamit ni Bella for Christmas and sapatos. Bella, where are we? Where are we, love? We're here in Haidalao. Ito yung pangatlong pangatlong toy niya na to. From Haidalao. Yeah, let's open la. Let's open. Uy! So, sinerve nila muna yung fruits. And ito si Jenya. Pumipili siya ng orderin. Mama is opening. No, no, I don't want. I just want rice. Rice and that bun. Bella, oh, I got a new toy. Hi! Ah. No, we mix yan. Let's have a buy noodle for Papa. Hi, this is your new toy from Haidalao. How many? Noodle for Papa.
I ordered.
Oh, Bell, oh, Bell, your new toy. Yay! Press. Another balloon. Yes. Ha? Yeah, hugasan ko. Paano yung meat mo? May fish? Let's buy fish. Yeah. Bell, oh, say thank you. Bell, dili na ako tsara. Hungry na? Are you hungry? Yay! I'll give you rice. I'll give you rice, Bell. Thank you po. Bella, akala niya tinidor to or kutsara. Yan, sinusubuan siya ni Lola ng watermelon. Oh, they gave you a balloon la. Ma, tama naman. Mamaya nabigay ko siya ng rice. Oo. Akala niyo kutsara. Oh. Bella, just playing with you. Smile. Be nice, my love. Oh.
So it's mushroom sauce, coriander, some chopped onion and chopped garlic, and mushroom sauce. I did say mushroom sauce and homemade soy sauce,
Oh.
and a bit of chili oil.
Mhm.
That's
How is it? Good. Kus na.
I think it's gonna be a perfect for me.
Mahilig siyang gumawa
Why
ng
they're not
sauce.
bringing food or-
Lola is
Let's
starting
put
to
it here,
eat.
okay? So you
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, you can. So, inaantay namin mag-boil yung soup. At yung isa kumakain na ng kanyang fried rice. Rice with egg.
Lala, watch Lala.
Yeah, I'm watching Lala. I'm making milk for Lala.
Watch Lala.
Masarap.
Masarap. Masarap.
Masarap. Ah! Finish.
No, I mean, I think we can eat only that one.
Nanonood sila ng TV. Tapos na kaming kumain and yan, nagustuhan ni Jenya yung food dito. Mapili siya sa pagkain pero naitubos ang gusto niya yung hot pot. Yung toy na binigay para kay Bella, nilalaro niya ngayon. Do you like it?
Yeah. High five.
High five!
High five.
Can you show please like, share, and subscribe?
Like, share, subscribe.
What did you
Like, share, subscribe, and comment.
Lalaro ang bata natin.
Bella. Bella. Let's go.
Let's go home! Ay na! Ayun yung umuwi.
Babe.
Hi, Dilaw. Tapos na kami kumain. Thank you sa balloons. Si Bella, kami naglaro doon sa play area. Let's print, babe. May pa-free photo printing sila. So, yan. Nagpa-print na si Jenya. Okay, so we submitted the photos. And ito yung pinaprint namin. Progress, baby. Progress. Oh, yeah. Bella is here. Papa and me. Here, show me. Yay! Thank you, Papa. And thank you, Love, for the free printing.
Go.
Cute. Bella! Lala! So, andito kami sa Disney Store. This is the new Disney Store here in MOA. Oh, Belle! Babe, we need to take a photo there.
Take a photo of Bella and Belly.
Okay. Belle, ang ganda! Princess Belle! Babe, I like the costume next year
Next year.
in her second birthday.
Okay. Second.
Tinkerbell. Second birthday, we'll buy a dress for her. She'll be Princess Belle.
Let's see what else you have.
Wow, it looks so good, my love. Okay, take a photo. You're watching cartoons? Belle, watch Mama. Come here. Uy, ang ganda niya.